Good morning and welcome back to another edition of Dash Cycling TV. I'd like to introduce to you my Surly cross check. This one is missing the decal that says cross check because this bike is from 2005. When I acquired the frame, it was in some pretty beat up shape. The fork I had on it was destroyed, so I put a new fork, and this is off a 2013 Surly. I had to replace the decals myself on the fork. I recently just upgraded these tires too. There's some Vittoria Terreno Zero 700 by 35, and these bikes really do fit fatties fine, because there's so much more clearance for fatter tires still. I did replace the shifter on there recently, and I added these cool, super cool Caramba brakes from Shimano, which stop on a dime. I'm barely pulling the brake lever, and these things are perfect. I don't know why they don't make them still. Has a Thompson stem. It was given to me with no bolts, so I just found some old ones off of another bike and got it working. Also with the Avid brakes. Look how perfect these things brake, like you barely move it. This bike's fast, super fast. It has a 50 chainring on some Sugino Super Mighty cranks, and I set it up to a 22 tooth. This is a 7-speed. And the shifters are right here, as you can see. It's all in perfect working order, and I'm very happy. Also, I love these MSW grips. These things are so nice. Well, I really hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, because I have plenty more bikes to show you guys. Hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.